Timing is everything, and credit reports don't update instantly. Most creditors report to the bureaus once a month, but not on the same day. This creates a reporting lag, a delay between your activity and when it shows up on your report. Understanding this lag gives you power. For example, if you pay down a credit card on the 5th, but the creditor reports on the 15th, your lower balance won't help your score until that next update hits. Here's the play. Find out each creditor's reporting day. Once you know the schedule, you can time your payments to hit before reporting, so only your lowest balances show up. That means your utilization drops before the bureaus see it, which can boost your score fast. And it works the other way too. If you charge a card up but pay it down before the report date, it's like it never happened. Legal, strategic, clean. Most people are just reacting to their scores. This puts you in control. Bonus: use this knowledge to know when not to apply for new credit. Apply when you know your best data is about to hit. Learn more at CreditFixGuy.com. Pay as you go. No social security number needed.